AI Taiji Interactive Practice Platform. The homepage uses original animation and slides to explain the meaning and value of the project. It includes two parts. One part is a showcase of 6 main Taiji schools. You could click to view the videos. Another part are interactive contents, including 3 sections. The right or wrong section prepares a few Taiji videos for users to watch, judge if it is right or wrong pose, submit answers, and receive feedbacks. Self-check and compare section allows the user to upload their Taiji video and choose Taiji video from database to compare with the standard poses. Taiji AI Master section can track the movement in your uploaded video and give feedback and instructions. I choose AI Taiji as my final project out of both family background and my personal interests. The AI Interactive Taiji Practice Platform is a web-based intelligent Taiji training application. Technology stack includes JavaScript, Python, and SQL.